Today I'm going to show you how to download and start using the software called sublimetext 2. And sublimetext 2 is a very basic HTML editor. So we're going to go ahead and download it and create a very simple web page. So I'm just going to Google sublimetext 2, get to the website, and I'm going to download it for my Mac. It'll take just a second to download. Okay. And here it is. I can start using it just by double clicking on it. And here it is. It's pretty simple. So if I want to change my color scheme, that's really easy to do. I believe it's under your preferences in sublimetext 2. So color scheme, font, etc., etc. And I'm going to start creating my first HTML page. Before I do that, I'm just going to create a simple folder on my desktop called website. And I'm just going to put my web files in there. So let's start by creating the skeleton of an HTML page that we have to have in every HTML page. So that would be, and maybe I'll make my typeface a little bit bigger. Larger. Okay. So I have to have my opening and my closing HTML tags. Then of course I need my head. Close the head and the body. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and save what I've done so far. I'm going to put it in that folder on my desktop, website, and I'm going to name it index.html. All lowercase, no spaces, and no weird punctuation. So that's an important thing to remember. All of the names of your HTML files should be all lowercase. And in this case, I'm naming it index.html because index.html has special properties. What that means is that when I upload it into the folder where all of my HTML files are, the server will look for an index.html file and it will present it as the home page. So the bottom line is you always need an index.html page when you're building a website. And a website is going to have a lot of HTML pages in it, well, depending on the size of your website. You need an index.html file so that the server knows what your home page is. So let's just imagine this is my home page and I'm going to name it index.html and hit save. Now, of course, I may want to add a title, and as you may remember from other videos, this goes inside of the head tag. So I'm going to say title, and I'm going to say my first web page. And then in the body area, if I want anything to be displayed, it has to be within the body tags. So I'm going to say, hi everyone, and I'm going to save it. Now let's preview it. To preview it, I can open it on any browser. Now I haven't uploaded it yet. It doesn't exist on the web yet, but if I want to see what it looks like within a browser window, I can. So I'm going to File, Open File. I'm in Safari. Browse to my desktop, go to website, index.html. And you see that the title is showing up properly and the content that's within my body tags is showing up right there. Now the next step will be uploading this to the server to get this online, and I'll show you that in the next video.